Om Bandha Mochakaya Namaha.
Bandha, bondage. Mochaka, releases. One who releases all, especially Shishyanam, all the devotees and disciples, those who are following his teachings. Even a little. Swalpamapyasya dharmasya. Even a little of the teachings of Gurudev's. The BMI chart itself, if you are following. Then, mochaka. You are released from the bondage of the erroneous identification with the not self. What is bondage? Shackles. What are the Are you tied with any shackles? No shackles. But your identification with the body, identification with the mind, identification with the intellect as I the perceiver, I the feeler, I the thinker. This is bondage. So one who releases from this erroneous identification, Bandha Mochakaya Namaha. Aneka Janma Samprapta Karma Bandha Vidahine. Aneka Janma, how many births, karmas, bondage are there? We don't know. And also Sanchita Karma, we don't know how much is there. Prarabdha Karma, we don't know. Agami Karma, we don't know. Do you know Sanchita, Prarabdha, Agami? You know it or you don't know? This way, all head shaking. Sanchita means like a bank balance in fixed deposit. Prarabdha Karma is out of the fixed deposit, some karmas mature, fructify. That is called Prarabdha Karma. While exhausting the Prarabdha Karma, we accumulate new karmas. That's called Agami Karma. Agami means going to come in the future. These are the karmas. So many karmas are there. Sanchita Papa Vinashaka. Lingam, remember? Brahma Murari Surarchita Lingam. Sanchita Papa Vinashaka. Even Sanchita Papa itself is destroyed. How? By knowledge. The doer itself is killed. When the doer dies, all the doings done by the doer, whether past or future, doer died. Then what Sanchita, what Agami? So when the doer dies, all karmas perish. So aneka janma samprapta karma bandha vidahine, he burns up all the karmas. How? Atma jnana pradhanena, by bestowing the knowledge of your own self, I as I. When I as I is realized, I as so and so dies. That's the glory of this knowledge. So relieves all bondage, releases us from all bondage. So Guru is the one, the Guru's job is to relieve from bondage, not relieve money of the Shishyas, relieve bondage. There are many Gurus who can relieve the money also, but relieve really the bondage. But the disciple, the Shishya should give all his money to the Guru. Guru should not take the money of the disciples, but Shishya is supposed to give all the money to. So we say, Tvameva Mata, Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya, Dravinam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mamadeva Deva. But while writing the check, we don't remember this. Tvameva Dravinam. While check writing also, you should remember. Tvameva, is all yours. One person gave, our Acharya Sadananda, he gave blank check, signed blank check to Gurudev. Swamiji, you fill up anything. Will you give it to me like that? But now I am very much in need. Blank check. And Gurudev wrote Om and gave it back. He keeps that check even now. I should tell him, give the check to me now. But I don't think it can be used now. Another check you give me. See that? So we should give everything to the Guru. When we write our will also, we should remember. Nobody remembers Guru when they write the will. Doesn't anybody remember the Guru for when they write? Find out. Anybody has remembered their Guru while writing the will? Isn't it? Try to remind people. If your parents and all writing, Daddy, for your Guru, what are you writing? Guru is Nijananda Swarupa. Anapeksha he is. Nijananda is reveling in his own. What Guru doesn't need anything. He may not need anything. But what are you doing? So, Bandha Mochaka. He is the one who releases all disciples from the bondage of the erroneous identification with the not self. That is identification with the not self is bondage. One who cuts asunder this identification from the not self. Such a person is called Bandha Mochaka.
Om Bandha Mochakaya Namaha.